Today's video, I'm going to try to simplify and show you some things to watch out when you're manifesting and trying to create your goals and manifest your goals. I'm going to call this the path to creating reality, and I even have a whiteboard. Let's start the video now, shall we? All right, guys, welcome back to the channel. If you guys like what I'm doing, I post videos more than 5 times per week. I need you to subscribe to the channel if you guys like me enough to do that. And then also hit that little bell and that like button. This is the path to creating your reality. And I want to take a look at something. I built a whiteboard here. I didn't build a whiteboard. I wrote all over a whiteboard because it's sometimes cool to go back to fundamentals, and I've always wanted to be a hockey coach or a football coach, so I wrote on a whiteboard. But I want to take a look at something, okay? So if this is the path to creating reality, let's take a look at it right here. Right over here, this is the problem I see. Foresee the problem is the fact that a lot of folks, they think they can go from here straight on over to the goal. And in the middle, you have all these red X's. So this video shouldn't be very long. It doesn't really have to be very long. If you take a look at this video, you see your current and your goal. That's the goal that you want to manifest. Whatever you want. You want to find the special person in your life. You want to make $1 million. You want to get a pay raise. You just want to get a new car. Whatever you'd like. The problem is that you see a lot of people on the internet, and they will tell you that it's so easy for you guys to go from A to B. So they'll say all you have to do, and this is one of the things that The Secret was a great book, but it's kind of bothered me. They say all you have to do is think about it, and you go from here all the way over to here before you know it. Like Rhonda Byrne says in the book, suddenly just checks started showing up in my mailbox. Well, okay, let's be honest here. This is a real world. It's made out of physics. Physics are strange and we're still learning. Yes, thoughts have energy in our things. It's a different video for a different day. But to be honest with you, the chances of you going from here to here without hitting a couple of these little red X's is astronomically small. So let's just forget that here to here even exists. We're going to go like that. And that right there is nothing we should worry about. What we have to deal with are these little red X's in the middle. And we're not even going to call these problems. We're going to call them obstacles. They're just obstacles. They're things that pop up along the way. If your path to manifesting takes 2 or 3 weeks or months, or some of these manifestations will take years. It takes years to manifest $1 billion company, folks. You're going to hit a couple of little red X's right in the middle. And that's okay, because what you have to remember is that you can't get from here to here. It would be like if you were creating a roadmap, and this was California right over here, and this was New York right over here. And you know what? There's going to be some construction, some diversions along the way of the highway you're going to take. And you might even go and take a little diversion to go to that little touristy attraction. But as long as you stay on this path right here, the straight path from A to B, A being over here your current, B being your goal, you're going to be fine. You're going to hit things in the middle that are obstacles. What obstacles could you hit? I don't know. I guess it really depends on what you're doing with your manifestation. Maybe, you're creating a company and you go bankrupt. That happens. Some people go bankrupt 10 times, 5 times, 3 times, whatever times before they really get rich. Maybe you're in school and you fail a test. That's fine. There's more tests to take. It wasn't your final exam. And even if it was, you can retake the course next year. The point is that these things here create skills. They create character. They create learning experiences. They create connections. And they make you much more stronger. And I think that's the most important thing of all. And what you need to remember is what a very smart guy, Jim Rohn, once said. Jim Rohn once said, I think it was his mentor, Earl Shoaff. If you don't know Jim Rohn, you should look up some Jim Rohn videos on YouTube. He said, becoming a millionaire isn't about the money that you get at the end of the journey. It's about the person that you become while you're becoming a millionaire. So if you endear these along the way on your path, you're going to become a better person. And as you become a better person, those obstacles will most likely not arise in the future, or if they arise, you'll know how to deal with them. So you become a better person, you know how to manifest better, you learn a skill, you learn how to do what you want to do, and then it's easier next time. So I want you to keep that in mind as you're going along the way and you're trying your best to manifest and create the reality that you want. If it's not working for you, then that's okay. You You're just going to reassess, you're going to overcome your obstacles, and you're going to get to your goal. I'm Steven. This is New Thinking, New Life. If you're just passing through, click the links in the description below for some good stuff. Click subscribe, hit the bell if you want to get notified when I do videos. I do videos more than 5 times a week. I'm eternally grateful you watched this video. Thanks again. Bye-bye.